What's up, Peak Timers? It's race day, and today we've got some modern Mustangs versus modern Camaros. We're gonna do a 36 car tournament to find out which one's the fastest. Each race will consist of 3 Mustangs and 3 Camaros, and this is race number 1. Let's see who's gonna win this one. Only one car moves on to our finals. On your mark, get set, go! And the 2018 Copo Camaro SS takes the win in race number 1. It's our first finalist. But now, race number 2. Camaros now have moved to this side, Mustangs onto this side. Let's get race number 2 started. On your mark, get set, go! And it's another win for Camaro. The Copo Camaro with the drag race pack wins race number 2, but we're all set for race number 3. Can Mustangs start making a comeback? Let's find out right now. On your mark, get set, go! And it's another win by Camaro. The Camaro convertible takes the win in race number 3. We've got 3 Camaros in the finals. No Mustangs so far, but it's still anyone's opportunity to win. Mustangs on this side, Camaros on this side. Let's get race number 4 started. On your mark, get set, go! And a dominating win by the Ford Shelby Mustang in race number 4, taking one for the Mustangs. Still anyone's opportunity. We're on for race number 5. Camaros over here, Mustangs over here. Let's get it going. On your mark, get set, go! And look at that, Mustangs are making a comeback. That's 2 wins by Mustangs, 3 wins by the Camaros. Those are our finalists so far. And we are going to race number 6. Let's find out if we get another Mustang in the finals to be 3 versus 3, or is Camaro gonna dominate? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! A super close race in race number 6, but the light went to this Mustang. Therefore, we've got 3 Mustangs, 3 Camaros for our finals. We're gonna do a best of 3. We'll switch the lanes up just to make it fair. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! The Copo Camaro with the drag pack takes race number 1 in the finals. We've switched the lanes up. That means this Copo Camaro, if it wins this race, it takes the championship for Camaros. Otherwise, it's anyone's game. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And there you have it, guys. Our champions are Camaros. The 2018 Copo Camaro takes the win for Team Camaro in our racing championship. Let me know if you're a fan of Camaros or Mustangs in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.